Okay, so we've already seen lists. Now we're going to see something called sets. So here's an example of a set. Remember that when we worked with lists, let's open our workspace. When we worked with lists, we used those square brackets. So I might have my list is, so there was my list. Here we're going to make a set where instead of using square brackets like we had for a list, it's a list, here it is a set. We use those curly braces. And again, the difference between the single quotes and the double quotes doesn't matter. And I will update this to be cherry. Okay, so here's a set. Let's go and read a little bit more about it. So now you've seen the syntax. It actually looks super similar to a list, but with those curly braces. Okay, so we can't change items within a set, but we can remove and add items. And we can print them. Okay, we can look at that. Here, I can print my set. Looks good. Looks essentially how we expected. Sets are unordered. That's a really key piece. The most important piece about set is that they do not allow duplicate values. So let's look at an example here. So sets cannot have two items with the same value. So if I tried to add a second banana here, and I run that code, and then I print it, I still don't end up with 4 items. I only get one single banana, even if I try and add that banana a bunch of times. And I run that code, and now I'll run the code to print it. I still only end up with a single banana. That's the key thing, is 0 duplicates in a set. There's some interesting things about how actually true and 1 are treated the same. So let's look at that. Okay, there's a true and then a 1, and I run it, and then when I print it, you can see I've got the apple, cherry. Oh wait, what happened? Oh my gosh, I'm printing my set instead of this set. Okay, let me run this print again, and I'll get the correct value. Okay, so here we go. I got a true. I don't have the 1 because it's a duplicate with true. I have the 2, and then I have my apple, banana, cherry. The same is true for false and 0. So I could add a false here, and a 0, and another 0. I would only get a single value. I'd only get the false. I don't get either of the zeros. But most important about sets is duplicates are not allowed, and duplicate values just get ignored.